We're here with Bob Golic, talking about the buzz surrounding Roof Maxx of Cleveland. A question I get all the time is Roof Maxx safe?
Oh, absolutely, Brenda. 100% safe for people, pets, property, and the environment. Plus, Roof Maxx is quick, easy, and affordable.
And what exactly causes the roof to go bad?
Brenda, after 7 to 10 years of UV rays and thermal shocking, the oil begins to evaporate, causing them to become brittle. Over time, that continued loss causes them to crack and break, and much the same way, cracks in an asphalt road eventually turn into potholes. The award-winning Roof Maxx Soy Fusion formula penetrates shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection, adding up to 15 years of life, and even comes with a transferable warranty.
And if they mention RESTV,
$500 off coupon.
call them today.
I got it.